The Hoover Dam is a concrete arch-gravity dam located on the border of Arizona and Nevada, USA. It was built between 1931 and 1936 during the Great Depression as a way to create jobs and generate power. The dam is named after President Herbert Hoover, who played a significant role in its construction. It stands at a height of 726 feet and spans 1,244 feet across the Colorado River. It is capable of producing more than 4 billion kilowatt hours of electricity per year, making it one of the largest hydroelectric power plants in the United States. The dam also provides water to millions of people in Arizona, Nevada, and California. The construction of the Hoover Dam was a massive undertaking that required the labor of thousands of workers. The workers faced many challenges, including scorching temperatures, dangerous working conditions, and the need to excavate through solid rock. Despite these obstacles, the project was completed 2 years ahead of schedule and under budget. It has become a popular tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors each year. Visitors can take guided tours of the dam and its power plant, explore the surrounding area, or enjoy recreational activities such as fishing and boating on Lake Mead, which was formed by the dam. The Hoover Dam is not only an engineering marvel, but also a symbol of American ingenuity and determination. It has played a vital role in shaping the American Southwest and continues to serve as an important source of power and water for the region.